What if I told you that the stiffness you feel every morning, the aches in your joints, and the chronic pain that seems impossible to shake could start improving in just 2 weeks? I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right tools, and one of the most powerful tools is something you do every day: what you eat for breakfast. For older adults, this meal isn't just about filling your stomach. It's about giving your body what it needs to reduce inflammation, protect your joints, and give you energy that lasts all day. Many people over 60 struggle with pain and fatigue and think it's just part of aging, but that isn't true. Inflammation is a silent process, a fire burning inside your body, and the foods you choose either feed that fire or help put it out. Imagine waking up, feeling lighter in your joints, more flexible, and ready to start your day without that morning dread. That transformation begins with simple, natural choices. The key is to eat foods that work with your body, not against it. Chronic pain and fatigue are often the result of years of inflammatory foods, processed meals, sugary cereals, white bread, and other common choices that spike your blood sugar and trigger your immune system to overreact. But it doesn't have to be that way. By choosing the right combination of nutrients in the morning, you can literally change the way your body responds to inflammation. Studies show that adults who consistently eat anti-inflammatory foods experience less joint stiffness, more energy, and even better mood. This isn't a temporary fix or a trendy fad, it's science-backed nutrition that supports your body's natural healing systems. And the best part? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. Real, accessible foods from your grocery store can make a dramatic difference. It starts with incorporating natural anti-inflammatory foods into your daily breakfast. Turmeric, for example, contains a compound called curcumin, which blocks the cellular pathways that cause inflammation. People in their 60 seconds and 70 seconds who added turmeric to their diet reported significant reductions in joint pain and stiffness. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in wild-caught fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, help balance your body's immune response and reduce chronic inflammation. Even small additions, like a handful of berries or nuts, can provide antioxidants and essential nutrients that support your joints, heart, and brain. And while you might feel skeptical, the results build over time. Within a week or two, you'll start to notice small improvements in mobility, energy, and overall comfort, and those improvements grow stronger with consistency. Beyond what you eat, your lifestyle plays a huge role in how your body ages. Gentle movement every day, even simple stretches or short walks, can dramatically improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and support joint health. You don't need to push yourself through intense workouts. The goal is consistency, not intensity. Light exercise tells your muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system that they are needed and supported. Combine that with a positive mindset, and your body responds even better. When you believe that you can improve, when you choose to focus on what you can do rather than limitations, your body releases natural anti-inflammatory compounds, reduces stress hormones, and improves overall energy. A simple morning routine of stretching, a few minutes of breathing, and gentle movement can set the tone for your entire day. Sleep and stress management also affect how your body heals. Chronic inflammation is worsened by poor sleep and high stress, so prioritizing rest and relaxation is essential. Even small adjustments, like going to bed at the same time each night, limiting late-night sugar, and practicing calming activities such as meditation or listening to soothing music, help your body recover and repair. When combined with an anti-inflammatory breakfast, these practices amplify your results. Your mornings become easier, your joints feel looser, and you start to regain the energy and clarity you may have thought was gone forever. It's not just about avoiding pain, it's about thriving, feeling youthful, and enjoying life fully. Mindset is just as important as diet and movement. Older adults often assume that aches, fatigue, or limited mobility are unavoidable, but that belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. By adopting a mindset of proactive wellness, you empower yourself to make choices that protect your body and improve your quality of life. Every morning is a chance to fuel your body with healing nutrients, to move intentionally, and to focus on what you can achieve. Over time, these small daily actions compound into noticeable transformations. You'll find yourself thinking clearer, moving easier, and feeling more vibrant. The combination of food, gentle activity, and a positive outlook is a holistic approach that doesn't just mask symptoms, it targets the root cause of chronic inflammation. Consistency is where the real change happens. Inflammation doesn't develop overnight, and it won't disappear overnight either. But with a committed routine, the difference is undeniable. Begin each day with a breakfast that includes turmeric, golden milk, omega-3 rich foods like salmon or walnuts, berries, and a handful of nuts, paired with green tea or matcha, if you like. This combination works together synergistically, enhancing your body's natural healing ability. Each nutrient supports the other, creating a strong anti-inflammatory foundation for your day. Within 1 to 2 weeks, morning stiffness eases, energy improves, and mood lifts. By 6 to 8 weeks, you may notice significant reductions in pain, increased flexibility, and a renewed sense of vitality that allows you to engage more fully in daily life. These changes are not temporary. They are a lifestyle shift that sets the stage for long-term health. The amazing thing about this approach is that it's simple and sustainable. You don't need to overhaul your life completely or invest in expensive programs. Small, intentional choices, repeated daily, make all the difference. Drinking golden milk in the morning, adding berries to your oatmeal, choosing wild-caught salmon or nuts, and practicing gentle movement are realistic, achievable steps. They fit into your life without creating stress, and over time they build a foundation for better health, energy, and resilience. Your body responds to the care you give it, and even small daily habits accumulate into dramatic results. Imagine living without the dread of morning stiffness, moving freely, and having the energy to enjoy your favorite activities without limitation. That is within reach, and it starts with your next breakfast. You have the power to change your health. Chronic pain, fatigue, and inflammation are not inevitable. They are signals that your body is out of balance, and you can restore that balance through consistent nutrition, light exercise, healthy routines, and a positive mindset. Commit to yourself. Prioritize anti-inflammatory foods, move gently each day, manage stress, and embrace optimism. Every morning, you get another opportunity to nurture your body and take control of your health. In a few weeks, you'll look back and realize how far you've come not just in reducing pain, but in regaining your energy, confidence, and sense of vitality. Age is just a number. How you choose to fuel, move, and think defines your quality of life. Start today. Start tomorrow morning. And remember, every small step you take compounds into a stronger, healthier, more youthful you.